Since 1990, Asian countries have had the highest score at the International Math Olympiad 23 of 31 times. Of the 23 times Asian countries have won, China has won 20 times.
In a classroom filled with students of different races, Asians, especially East Asians, are believed to be good at math. The PISA program tested 600,000 students from 79 countries in the regions. Students from China was ranked first across the world.
No, that's not a fake statistic. The reason China is so good at math is their language. What?
A major reason behind this performance gap is that Chinese uses simpler number words and explain math concepts more clearly than English. Yes, Chinese is a better language for math. Chinese number words are brief. Take a look at these numbers.
If you speak English while you're watching this video, so you probably do, you had about a 50-50 chance of saying that correctly. If you're Chinese, however, you are practically guaranteed to get it right every single time.
Read them out loud and try to remember them. If you read them in English, 4853976, read them in Chinese, 4855396. It actually takes less time to say the numbers in Chinese. In Chinese, most of the numbers can be pronounced in less than 1/4 of a second.
We store digits in a memory loop that runs for about 2 seconds. We most easily memorize whatever we can say or read within that 2-second span. And Chinese speakers get that list of numbers, 8, 7, 4, 3, 5, 6, 9, right almost every time because, unlike English, their language allows them to fit all those 7 numbers into 2 seconds. Chinese number words are remarkably brief. Most of them can be uttered in less than 1/4 of a second. For example, 4 is C and 7 is G. Their English equivalents, 4, 7, are longer. Pronouncing them takes about 1/3 of a second. Basically, the Chinese language makes it easier to memorize strings of numbers.
Chinese number words are transparent. In Chinese, if you know how to count from 1 to 9, you will automatically know how to count to 100. And the Chinese number system makes it easier to understand the place value.
In Chinese, it's 10-1. In English, we say 22. In Chinese, it's 2 10s 2. This means the average Chinese-speaking 4-year-old can count to 40, while the average English-speaking 4-year-old can only count to 15. It takes a full year for those 4-year-old English-speaking children to be able to learn to count to 40.
So Chinese number system is regular, and this allows Chinese kids to understand the patterns and count faster. English number names are highly irregular. For instance, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you have 11 and 12. These two numbers are unique. Then you go to 13, 14. Well, the number words for the teens even reverse the order of the ones and teens.
For example, if a child is asked on a test, what's 23 plus 42, they have to convert the letters to numbers and add. In Chinese, however, it's what's 2 10s 3 plus 4 10s 2, meaning the equation is already printed, no conversion to numbers necessary. Another factor is that the Asian work ethic is much stronger than the average Americans.
So these additional mental steps may cause you more errors when counting and doing calculations. The differences in math ability might be due to multiple factors such as cultures and socioeconomic conditions.
Plus, the average Asian school year can be up to 60 days longer than the American one. Add that to the fact that many Asians start school earlier than elsewhere, and you have a pretty good reason why Asians perform so much better at mathematics than others do. But you might have noticed that America has won 4 of the last 6 Olympiads. Their teams were comprised of mainly Asian students.